Welcome back to another video in our series. Before we dive into today's topic, hit like and subscribe. It's infinitely easier than figuring out which bin your recycling goes in here in Germany. Your support means a lot. Now, let's get started.
Question number 41. What is the right course of action? I have to allow right of way to the blue car. False. The blue car in this scenario must yield to you. Understanding who has the right of way in the absence of traffic signs is crucial for safe driving and preventing confusion at intersections. I have to allow right of way to the red car. True. The red car coming from your right must be given priority according to the fundamental rule of right before left. This rule is key to navigating uncontrolled intersections safely. I have right of way ahead of the blue car. True. As the blue car is not coming from your right, it should yield to you. Recognizing and asserting your right of way when appropriate is essential for efficient traffic flow. Question number 42. What is the right course of action? I move first. True. The traffic sign right of way at the next intersection or junction grants you priority, allowing you to move first. This illustrates the importance of adhering to traffic signs for right of way guidance. I have to allow the yellow car to pass through. False. Even though the yellow car is on your right, the traffic sign overrides this rule, giving you priority. Understanding traffic sign precedence is crucial for correct decision-making. Question number 43. In what sequence may each continue driving? The cyclist, me, the yellow car. True. The cyclist has priority for being on the priority road and ahead. You have priority over the yellow car because you are coming from the right. Question number 44. Who can move first in this situation? The blue tractor. False. The blue tractor, leaving a country lane or forest track, must yield. This rule highlights the importance of understanding right of way in different types of roadways. Me. True. As you are not leaving a country lane or forest track, you have the right to move first. The red car. False. The red car should also yield in this scenario. Question number 45. What is the right course of action here? I take priority before the cyclist. False. In this situation, the cyclist has priority as they are coming from the right. It's important to give way to cyclists and other vehicles when they have the right of way. I warn the cyclist by sounding the horn. False. Sounding the horn is not necessary or appropriate in this context. Respecting the cyclist's right of way and navigating safely is more important. I wait until the cyclist has completed the turn. True. Waiting for the cyclist to complete their turn is the correct course of action, as they have priority. Question number 46. Which is correct in this situation? I have to reach an understanding with the driver of the blue car. False. In a traffic circle without specific right-of-way signs, it's not about reaching an understanding, but about following the established rules. The rule of right before left applies, making it clear that reaching an understanding isn't required or recommended. I have to wait. True. Since the right before left rule applies, and the blue car is on your right, you must wait. The blue car has to wait. False. The blue car, being on the right, has the right of way. It's essential to understand and respect this rule to avoid confusion and potential accidents at intersections or traffic circles.